Topping the news tonight with all that's happened this year amid the pandemic, we have some good news for you. The first Pfizer Biontech COVID-19 vaccines were administered today at our very own DCH Regional Medical Center. WVUA 23's Chelsea Barton witnessed that first injection at DCH this morning. She has more in tonight's top story.
Friday.
The first person to receive the vaccine in Tuscaloosa was Dr. Blake Lovely, an emergency medicine doctor at DCH Health System.
Excited. I think we're all very excited. The doctors are all clamoring to see how quickly we can get it done and try to move past this coronavirus phase into the next phase of our lives.
He was injected with his first round of the vaccine at the DCH mobile testing site around 7:45 Thursday morning. Dr. Lovely was just the first of 100 frontline healthcare workers who received their first rounds of the vaccine the first day it was available.
For the doctors getting it, this is all stuff we've studied and researched, and we've been following the vaccine progress all along, and we understand what mRNA is. It's not a foreign concept to us at all. Nothing's confusing. So to us, it's a no-brainer. I mean, you look at a disease that kills 1.8% of people that get it, and a shot that may give me, some body aches the next day. I think it's the risk benefits are clear, and it's an easy decision.
DCH Health System received nearly 3,000 vaccines. 100 will be administered daily. The shots are being given drive-through style.
So there'll be 2 cars at once. You'll drive in, and each person has their own appointment time. They have about a 10-minute block. You come in, you park, you fill out a few forms, you get your shot, and then you go wait right there because you need to wait about 15 minutes to make sure you don't have any kind of allergic reactions or anything. And we have nurses and everybody watching. And then after your 15 minutes timer's up, a nurse will come say bye and you go home.
Dr. Lovely says he understands the concerns many have about getting the COVID-19 vaccination, but wants to remind folks of this.
I think there's a lot of things we don't know, but the big questions are, is it safe and is it effective? And the answer to both those questions are yes, it's safe, and yes, it's effective.
This is the vial that contained the first COVID-19 vaccination administered in Tuscaloosa County. It's a small package and it's only 1 shot, but hopefully this marks the beginning of the end of the coronavirus pandemic.
We're seeing the highest case numbers we've seen yet so far in the coronavirus phase, and it is enough to where we're seeing hospital capacity strain across the state and across the country, and you couldn't pick a more apt time to have some relief from what we're facing right now.
In Tuscaloosa, Chelsea Barton, WVUA 23 News.